Hello and welcome back to Digital Product Wizard, your go-to channel for exploring the latest and most effective digital products on the market. Today, we've got something special in store for you as we dive into the top 3 WhatsApp bulk message sender tools. These platforms can help you supercharge your marketing, sales, and customer support efforts through WhatsApp. So let's jump right in. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and tutorials. Now let's explore the first tool on our list. Number 1 on our list is Brevo, the platform that's all about building strong customer relationships across multiple channels, including email, SMS, chat, and more. Wide reach and close connections. A complete toolkit for turning one-time browsers into long-term customers. Marketing and sales platforms. Real-time conversations and transactional email support. With Brevo, you can create brilliant campaigns of all shapes and sizes, follow your leads, and strike up meaningful conversations with personalized chat tools. Plus, their ultra-reliable email API ensures your messages get delivered. But don't just take our word for it. Over 500,000 customers trust Brevo for better customer relationships. It's no wonder they've received numerous awards for their outstanding services. Brevo also seamlessly integrates with more than 150 leading digital tools, making it a versatile choice for businesses of all sizes. Ready to get started? You can sign up for Brevo for free with no credit card needed. Next up, at number 2, we have Wati.io, the WhatsApp business API platform that can supercharge your marketing, sales, service, and support. Trusted by rapidly growing brands. Personalized communication. Engaging with WhatsApp to improve response rates. Efficiently manage conversations with automation and chatbots. Wati.io allows you to engage prospects through WhatsApp and improve response rates compared to email or SMS. Plus, it offers a better return on investment for your marketing efforts. But let's hear from some of their 8,000 customers across 100 countries. They appreciate Wati.io's customizability and seamless support for WhatsApp. Integrate Wati.io with your favorite cloud apps in your tech stack, and you're all set to harness the power of WhatsApp for your business. Finally, at number 3, we have NovoChat.co, a platform that can transform your customer communication and drive revenue with its WhatsApp inbox and automations. Team Inbox for seamless collaboration. Broadcast personalized messages. Automate conversations for more conversions. Gain deeper insights with advanced metrics. NovoChat.co's Team Inbox lets you collaborate seamlessly, and their WhatsApp automations can drive more sales by engaging customers effectively. Don't just take our word for it. Customers like Reactor and Superphone have found immense value in NovoChat.co's offerings. And if you have questions about NovoChat.co, don't worry. We've got you covered with our FAQ section. There you have it, folks. The top 3 WhatsApp bulk message sender tools to supercharge your business. Whether you're looking to build customer relationships, personalize communication, or drive revenue, these tools have you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your thoughts and questions. And as always, stay tuned for more product reviews and tutorials right here on Digital Product Wizard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.